Hello, now let's examine this question. The question says solve for x if 6 raised to the power of x equals to x raised to the power of 18. Now, how do we solve this problem? I will find a way of making x to be on one side and the number in another side. Okay, so now let's see. I'm going to multiply each of the power by 1 over x. All right, so that will help me to get rid of this x here. So I have x raised to the power of x times 1 over x equals to x raised to the power of 18 times 1 over x. Get that? So this cancel this. So we have 6 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x raised to the power of 18. Okay, so you can move this out and bring this inside. Now, when you have 18 times 1 over x, can be expressed as 1 over x times 18. Multiplication is commutative, okay? So now the next thing now is to get rid of this 18 here. So I'll multiply each of these power by 1 over 18. Okay, let's do that. We have 6 raised to the power of 1 over 18 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x, okay? Raised to the power of 1 over 8 times 1 over 18. Okay, so this, we cancel this out. So we have 6 raised to the power of 1 over 18 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now the next thing I have to do now is to find a way of expressing this such that it's going to look like this. Now what do we do? Now let's multiply this power here by 1. 1 can be expressed as 2 over 2. Okay, so now I have 6 raised to the power of 1 over 18 times 2 over 2 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. You get that? So I've not changed anything because 2 over 2 is still 1. So it doesn't change this value. All right, now. So now what I want to do now is, now I'm bringing these two in while I'm moving 1 over 18 outside. So if I do that, I'll be having 6 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over 18 times 1 over 2. You get that? So equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. So now this is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. We have 36 raised to the power of 1 over 36. 18 times 2 is 36 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. All right, so now we can see now we have achieved our goal. So then we can now conclude now that x equals to 36. I hope you understand how we got that. All right, thank you.